Hello everyone, I'm Vivek Vedan, an associate data scientist in Blackcoffer. Today we will go through a project which we have created for a client. In this project we have created Jenkins library. So let's go through it one by one. So let's first check this validate AWS CLI. So in this library we are validating the AMI ID. So if we try to run this project, build now. So as you can see, it was a success. Now, if we try to change the AMI ID, let's make it 5. Apply, save, then again build. It got filled because that particular AMI ID is not there in our AWS account. So now let's check the other libraries as well. The AWS network rule validator. So in this, we are validating the network rule by VPC ID. So if we try to run this particular project, as you can see, it was a success. Now, if we try to change the VPC ID, it will give an error. So now let's just change it to P. Again, try to run it. As you can see, it got failed. Now let's check another library. In this, we are validating the security group. So where we have launch wizard 1. If we try to run this particular project, it was a success. Now, if we try to change the group ID, it will give an error. Let's say 5. As you can see, it got failed. So basically in this, all the libraries we are using AWS CLI, and for the creating the library, we have used the Groovy language to create the whole pipeline. So this was a short demo on the project. Lastly, I would like to thank Ajay sir and the team for the support. Thank you.